What is going on, guys? Greggles TV. Now, the Galaxy S11 Plus is not out just yet, but there's rumors and leaks coming out about this phone. So we know, or at least we think we know, a little bit about the phone. So I wanted to go over the things that I'm most excited about coming from the Galaxy Note 10 Plus over to the S11 Plus. Now, the first one I'm actually pretty excited about, as little as it may seem, and that is the buttons being on the left-hand side on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus will now be on the right-hand side of the S11 Plus. Most people are right-handed. I'm actually ambidextrous, meaning I use both hands to do certain things, like I write with my left, but I do sports with my right. But I use my phone with my right hand, so to have the ability to press the power buttons and the volume buttons with my right thumb instead of having to use my index finger or using my left hand, a lot more comfortable, a lot more easier, and I think a lot more people are gonna be happy, again, that the buttons will be on the right-hand side of the phone. The next big thing should be 4K 60 frames per second video recording on the front camera. Now, we get it on the back camera on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but it should also be on the front camera this time around with the Galaxy S11 Plus. It's something I absolutely love. I use it on the iPhone 11 and it's awesome. It's got stabilization in there. The video looks smooth and just super fluid. I love the way 60 frame per second video looks. Some people don't like it. I absolutely love it. This whole video that you're watching is recorded 60 frames per second, but also the video I'm recording right now on the iPhone is also 60 frames per second. I'm just moving it back and forth so you see the motion. And I don't know if you can tell the difference, but this is on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and this is 4K 30. I don't know, I just love the way 4K 60 looks and I'm super excited it should be with the Galaxy S11 Plus. Next is the display size on the Galaxy S11 Plus. Now on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, it's already a really big display. It's like what? It's almost 6.8 inches. It's a really large display, but it definitely fits in your hand so comfortably because it's so thin. Well, Galaxy S11 Plus is taking it a slight step further with a 6.9 inch display. I'm super stoked about that. Obviously, you know, these phones are getting larger and larger, but it's just easier to see, enjoying videos, playing games, you know, looking at websites, social media, whatever you're doing is gonna look awesome on the phone. And it already does on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but just getting a slightly larger display is gonna be that much more fun. The fourth thing is 120 hertz display, at least that's what the rumor is right now with the Galaxy S11 Plus. What does that mean? It means that when you use your screen on your Galaxy S11 Plus and just the overall feel of your phone, it's gonna feel a lot smoother, or at least in theory it should, than previous generations such as the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which has a 60 hertz display. So they're doubling the refresh rate on the screen. Again, to make gaming, as long as the game takes advantage of it, or apps, or just daily usage of the phone that much smoother. Now keep in mind the Pixel 4 XL has a 90 hertz display, and obviously that's a little bit smoother than the 60 hertz display, so just doubling that and getting this phone from going from a Snapdragon 855 to 865 with probably the same amount of RAM, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and very fast storage, and now an even faster refreshing display is gonna make it feel that much better. And the last thing that I'm excited about with the Galaxy S11 Plus over the Note 10 Plus is standardized 5G, meaning that all the S11 Pluses that come out should have 5G built into them. You shouldn't have to buy the 5G version of the phone. It should be in there automatically. And why is that cool? Because 5G is really getting pushed out at this point. T-Mobile just pushed their nationwide 5G out. AT&T's pushing theirs out fast and furious. So is Verizon and Sprint and all these other companies here in the US. So it's gonna be, you know, you're gonna get faster speeds to download files and load up your videos faster and have smoother and better video chat and whatever else you do with those speeds, it's gonna be standardized within that phone. So there you guys go. Those are my top 5 reasons that I'm excited for the S11 Plus over the Note 10 Plus. If you have different reasons, list them down below in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.